Hi guys, Shara here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't posted any video for recently because I have been busy with many different stuff. So I am so sorry for that. I am a kind of miss you guys and beautiful comments and likes, so that I am thinking of I should make a video this week, so that I am planning to repot this guy you see me behind. This is a yucca plant, and this plant is kind of very tall and very heavy on the top, and the pot is very small so that it cannot support anymore. So I am thinking to divide this plant to two different pot. Okay, so let's do this. And I haven't watered this guy for more than 10 days because I am planning to make this video so that I just keep this, keep the soil dry in purpose, so that it will be so much easier to handle. If it is a wet and soggy, that might be very messy around. So yeah, let's get started. Before I repot this plant, I want to show you how the soil is losing like crazy. Do you see here? I hope you see that, because the soil is very dry because of, I told you, I just keep the soil very dry in purpose so that that will be so much easier to repot it. Okay, so I am just gonna, oh my god, lay this plant is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my god, no, I think I'm breaking. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab it. Oh my god, yeah, this came out very easily. Yeah, so wow, do you see this root bound? Oh my gosh, so heavy. This is the perfect timing to repot. Do you see this? Incredible, oh my god, crazy. It's really a good root ball. And do you see they use a lot of what's this called, perlite? They use a lot of perlite with normal potting soil, so that I am gonna use same perlite and normal potting soil today. The yucca, they don't really need a special soil. As long as it has a good drainage soil, then that will be perfect. I am just gonna get rid of all this soil as much as possible, and I am just gonna lose the root. Okay, I am working. It's really easy because of the soil is very dry. Okay, so just keep in your mind that if you also want to, repot your plant, then let the soil, dry. I'm using gloves today so that I don't want to, mess with my nails. Okay. Okay, I think it's losing now. Okay. Yeah, they just came out very easily. So I'm kind of happy with this. Okay, so this is small plant and this is big. Okay, so this is perfect condition now. Then it is ready to, I will just use the same pot, and it has a very good drainage hole. Do you see this? So I'm just gonna use the same pot, and just I already get rid of a lot of soil right now, almost everything. But I have read a little bit about the repotting, because repotting is one of the biggest what to say change for the plant. so that if you want to use the new soil, they take a little bit time to adapt with the new soil and new environment. You know, it's just like a human. If you move to new like a place, then you have to, you know, like it takes time to adapt with the place and environment, right? So I think it is the plant, they are also same. So that what I would do is I am just gonna use this old soil, a little bit of old soil, not a lot, just a little bit of old soil, and I am just gonna use in this pot and mix with old soil and new soil, so that this plant will, you know, feel a little bit like safe. Yeah, I just read about that, and I think I am totally agree with that idea. All right, so this is my potting soil. This is normal mixed with the normal potting soil with perlite. Okay, so the perlite is, I am sure you know that just to provide like a good drainage. So I am gonna use this, and this normal potting soil are very like cheap and very affordable. So as I say, I am just where is my, oh yeah, it's here. So I am gonna mix, I'm gonna use this old soil a little bit, okay, and I'm just gonna add here again, just a little bit, not much, just like this. Okay, so after that I am just gonna add more new soil in here. Just gonna move this a little bit. This is a kind of mess here. Okay, and I will just, you know, tap it a little bit, not very much. Okay, then this is perfect, and I'm gonna just bring it here and just put it like this. And start adding. Until the plant is stable. Just tapping a little bit more. Okay, so I think it's good now. All right, and I don't want to water right now because the soil are very kind of wet. Soil are kind of moist, so that I don't really need to water this plant right now. Okay, so I will just keep aside here, and let me start working with the small plant with this. Okay. So again, here I'm just gonna lose most of the soil. Wow. Okay, there we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna use this pot. This is about how many inches? 21 centimeter pot. Yeah. And again, same here. I'm gonna use the old soil since I don't have much left. A lot of soil with me right now. So I am gonna use more soil, old soil here. You know, just to make sure. Okay, good. Okay, this is the new old soil, and I'm gonna just add here, just put it here like that, and I will start adding. Wait, just more. really a mess here. I don't have enough soil, new soil anymore, so I'm just gonna use the rest. This is the actually soil mix for my monstera plant, a lot of barks and perlite. So I'm just gonna fill on the top with this, but I think it's okay. This one is really losing. Yes, so this is the final result, and I am not gonna water them right now because this soil is really moist. This soil is very moist, so that I don't want to water it again. I don't want to water right away. And same here, inside has a very like a moist potting soil, so that I am not water them right now. I will wait 1 or 2 more days and I will water them later. Okay, they look super healthy, very happy, and I hope they're gonna fine in the new pot with the new, you know, environment. I'm sure they're gonna adapt because yucca is one of the easiest plant to grow and handle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of my video, please do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.